Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is When Shoplifting Doesn't Go As Planned.
On January 7th, 2025, a woman with a long history of theft at Walmart decided to risk it all once more. But this time, her luck ran out the moment she reached the exit.
Hey, how you doing? Hold on. We just gotta talk about it real quick. No big deal. Simple as that. Come on, because otherwise it's gonna go worse and it's gonna be an additional charge.
For what? It's right here. I ain't go anywhere with it.
I know, but it happened. We're gonna talk about it. That's it. Otherwise, it's gonna be an additional charge.
What's right now?
You literally just gonna get a ticket. Oh, we can avoid all this. Otherwise, you're gonna have to come down there with me.
Okay, come on, let's do it.
Come on.
You got to do it. You were out here for it. You know this shit.
Let's just, we good. We just gonna take care of this.
This shit don't come out to my fucking face. What the fuck y'all going to watch for?
We good.
Here's why. Work at the cashier. Work at the cashier. Work at the register.
It's cool.
You caught stealing but mad at everybody else. Now, do that even make sense?
I'm just trying to keep everything cool, man.
I understand, but like, what's the point?
I could be hooping and hollering and doing all this shit too. I'm not. I'm trying to keep this cool.
I don't care. I don't do it for it. I just got my one time. I don't do it for it. Let me see.
Yeah,
Let's be honest.
I do though. I try to keep it cool. You don't have to take it no more than how it already is.
So where you going?
We gonna go over here.
Where?
They go right over here. They gonna show you everything.
What? Everything. I'm trying to go home.
We finna go over here, right into the office. Simple as that.
That's for what? I'm doing what? I don't have my money.
We gonna have to find something. Right up in here.
Y'all happy? I'm so sorry. Good night. Good night. Come here, how about you take a seat? No, I'm okay.
The more cooperative everybody is, the easier.
You officer.
Okay.
Well, don't tell me what the fuck it is.
The easier to go. You understand that, right? We can get this over with real quick.
Go ahead.
All right, you have anything with your name on it?
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, you got to produce that. Otherwise, we're going to
My
have
name
to
is
go to the
Mia
station.
Moore.
We're going to have to go to the station either way. If you can't show me nothing with your name on it. I'm trying to avoid
I
that.
don't have my name on it. I don't have no ID. I don't have
Nothing. Not a card or nothing.
No, I don't have
How you get here?
I have a ride. My name is Mia Moore. That's who I am. Honest to God. 1996.
I'm trying to help you out.
They never carry ID on.
I ain't trying to take it, but if I have to, I have to. But I'm trying to avoid this shit, like legit, trying to get this over with as quick as possible. Spell your first name.
A-M-I-A.
A-M-I-A?
Yes.
What are you on parole for?
I'm not on parole.
Anymore?
Yeah.
Okay. When is that?
Oh, fuck. I did 2 years of prison. It's over with.
Well, they saying you on parole.
You know that I couldn't possibly say that.
Well, I just make it up.
I'm maxed out. I've been out a whole year. Been free a whole year.
Well, you better talk to your parole officer.
I don't have no parole officer.
That's what they telling me in my ear.
Well, we need to double check.
I don't need to double check. I ain't on parole.
Okay, well, I'm not going to jail for being on parole and I'm not on parole. Is it cool?
How you gonna tell me when,
Because I'm not.
when you
Because I'm not on parole.
Oh, this must be a black officer. I ain't gonna lie. The way she maneuvering, like, I'm like, oh yeah. She said, how you gonna tell me What you gonna what? Huh? You better act right before I get you together in here. That's basically what she tried to say.
Y'all be killing me.
Well, y'all be killing me. Because y'all want to do the fucking most. And then you like, what the fuck? You do the most. And then
Oh, you better tone that voice down.
You would be in handcuffs right
I'm
now.
telling you, I'm not on parole.
Simple as that.
Alright, cool. We're giving her she already has a record with us, 5 different events.
She's already trespassed.
She has, so it's a breach of trespass,
Okay.
and we're pressing charges, so we need to take them.
Okay.
That's local city ordinance.
Okay.
Wait, what's going on?
Alright, cool.
What?
You going to
Wait,
jail.
what's going on?
Alright, you already have a record with us, man.
56 can't start another.
That name. See right there?
Okay.
Alright.
So,
Alright, so you're gonna get served with a state ordinance ticket.
okay.
You also have a breach of trespass, that's an arrest. And what is the point? Keep giving another trespass one. That's what you're sitting at right now.
I won't come back. Please, please, oh,
Man,
please.
you probably told them that, but you already done it 5 times. So how do I know you're not lying to me?
Please, please, I won't come back. I promise. I can't go to jail. Please, my boyfriend just died there. Please.
Unfreaking believable. These people just don't get it. You've already been trespassed and now you've been back caught 5 times. And you gonna sit there and say, I'm not gonna come back? Man, take her ass to jail, man. Get her together. She ain't acting right.
Please, y'all. Please, 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 y'all. I won't come back.
It's the same one.
I will not come back.
The trespass. And then Antioch.
I haven't been in yet.
And then Grady.
Well, that's you,
He's
man.
called 114 from Antioch.
No, that's all. I've been going to court for that.
Oh, it says July 17, 2020.
I just went to jail and got out the fucking day before Christmas. The Christmas Eve.
Because of this?
Yeah. Y'all, please, for real, y'all. Come on. My boyfriend just died in there. Please, y'all. I gotta go to the funeral. Please, please, please. 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 Y'all, please give me. I will not come back here. I promise, sir. I will not come. Please, I cannot go to jail. My boyfriend's funeral is coming up. Please.
Hey, the college is at the
Tell them to come to the office.
Go up in jam for I think I got someone else.
I was gonna say, I unlocked them already. I unlocked it already.
Please, y'all. Please, I will not come back here. I promise. Please, please.
Yeah, it ain't up to me.
Sir, please. I can't go away. I will not come back. Please, please.
Man, I would love to believe you, man.
Please, please. I won't come back. I won't.
What's up, buddy?
I'd love to.
Oh, you got a ride.
But you already got 5 of them.
Ma'am, go ahead and stand up. You're going to be placed under arrest for shoplifting. Go ahead, ma'am.
You ain't gotta do all that.
Chill out. Relax.
Okay, listen, stop. You have to be so fucking rough with me.
I wasn't, but you can't be pulling away. Stop. It is not that serious.
That's the fuck it is, my favorite film.
Stop.
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 You give me your wrist. No,
My wrist is right here.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna double lock them so they don't close on you, okay?
She know the routine real well.
It's not for my pleasure, man. It's business.
Fucking demon. What the fuck up?
56, can you start a CQH for that subject I ran? You good? Let me search it real quick.
Yep.
Actually, I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I'll search it.
No, actually, we're working out right now.
What's up, y'all?
You gotta hold me so fucking tight.
I gotta hold you.
What the fuck is going on? Love you guys.
Okay. I got you. Here, don't step on the ice, man. Come on, let me check you real quick. Oh, girl. Chill out. Turn her on this way.
She probably got something on her.
Stand up now. Ready? This is way too much. I just want to check her waist real quick. Right? 1, 2, 3.
Come on. You help us out, miss. Come on.
I got you. Come on, man.
I want you to bend your head. Unbuckle her for a second.
So you got her in there.
It's unbelievable people act like this.
Yeah, man.
Shouldn't have.
In my other bag.
All right, you can pull her back. I got her arm.
For someone who's stolen from the same Walmart over and over, maybe she thought the rules no longer applied. Do you believe people can...
Yeah, I mean, it's just unbelievable people act like this. Why you not acting like this? Why you stealing? You can't do wrong and then expect, everything to just be smooth. Like, it don't work like that. People got a job to do. If you're gonna be a criminal as a profession, the law enforcement or the law asset protection, whatever you want to call it, they got a job to do too. You know what I'm saying? So it's a battle of who could do their job better. And clearly you can't, because you got caught 5 times. Like, they just waiting. They just building a case on you. They got you for 5 different incidences after you done got caught the initial time and trespassed. That's at least, and this will be the 7th time, because you got the initial incident and then she was issued her trespass. She came back 5 times after that. And now you got today. Oh boy. Find a new profession. Anyway, I think the officers did a great job, man. I'm surprised she ain't, whatever. I give her 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. She was cool. She a cool officer. I like it the way she was talking. She was trying to keep it calm, cool, collected, mellow. You know, she had a little swagger with her. I like that officer. I ain't gonna lie to you. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.